Okay.
Hell yeah.
Let's do this. Hey, how do you do it?
I don't know. Please don't hurt yourself. Promise
know, right?
me you won't hurt yourself.
You gotta climb up on the stick over there.
No,
Oh, yeah.
be careful. Be careful. Oh my god.
And then what? You jump from the side?
No, don't climb out. No, promise me. No. No.
What?
Stop right now. Just go.
Boo. Yeah, look as dumb as I thought it was.
Susie, come on, Sue, over here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, put the selfie stick away.
I know, right?
That's why. I got that on video, by the way.
Oh my god.
Let's set up and everything.
That
You're gonna be a YouTube star.
shit. I just go in the water like this.
If you
I was surprised how deep it was right there. Like, you just kept going under. I thought you were just gonna stand up.
Dude, it's cold. How was that a good idea? I didn't even know.
You ain't even trying to stand
Oh
up.
my god.
I ain't trying to hear it.
Oh my god.
Now do it for reals.
Huh?
Are you done?
Done what?
Do the thing.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Put your selfie stick down. Be a man. Hey, Sue.
How did we do this? Just grab it and go?
Yeah, get back about where your beer is.
Beer for this shit.